Hello everyone, how are you? So today we are going to discuss about Amazon interview process. Yes, you're right, Amazon interview process. Because every person in software development wants to work with big brands like Amazon, Google, Yahoo, Apple, but they don't know how to clear those interviews because you should be very clear before applying the jobs in these brands. Because getting a call is very easy, but clearing the whole process of interview is bit trickier and harder. So today I'll explain everything about Amazon interview process I am expressing because I recently went through all the steps. So I'll explain how it went through. So first step, whenever you submit a job profile, they will call you and they are going to ask you very difficult question, but it's mentioned in your resume. So be clear how you preparing your resume. If you're writing that you're very good in Go, Java, Node.js, or something, you should be very precise. It's not like writing only that I'm good in Java and it will make a job offer for you. Or they are going to send you a coding test link. They are having their own tool on which you have to write a code. Generally, there are two problems. It's kind of simple core Java problems or any other programming language, C++ plus plus or anything, but it's a bit trickier. I will make one more video to explain how to clear that coding interview. It's not easy to just go and start doing it. Okay, I'll come to that in my next video, but for now, this is the first step. Either telephonic interview or they will send you a coding test. Next step. Suppose you have cleared your first telephonic round and or cleared your coding test. The next step is that you're going to clear 3 to 4 coding telephonic interviews. Yes, you're right. It can happen like you can uh, got clear this step within first or second telephonic interview, but it happens that sometimes it's take 4 to 5 telephonic interviews to clear this step. It happens sometimes because either you're not convincing the team or they feel that you're not good for that team, but you're good for another team. And so another team's representative call you and try to discuss everything, whatever mentioned in your resume. So your resume should be very clear. Okay, let's come back to that point. After clearing 2 or 3 or maximum 5 telephonic interview, next step is to write again coding interview. Yes, you did it on step first where you cleared 2 coding interview of 90 minutes or telephonic interview. This time again you have to do a coding interview, but this time the representative observe you while you're writing. That means you cannot cheat from internet or from any other laptop. They are observing you. What are you doing? They will make it bit trickier while asking more question on that solution provided by you. They can give you one more scenario, 2 more scenario to update your algorithm. That can happen. And if you clear that round as well, then the next step is they will call you in-house. Then 4 or 5 people going to discuss questions with you, and they are very experienced in their subject matter, and they will grilling you too hard. And there is one person like this who is a bar raiser in that interview. The task of a bar raiser is to make you uncomfortable to any level, and where you just say, "Oh, I'm done with it," then he will set your bar like you are at that level. It's okay that if you're not performing well in front of bar raiser, but usually try to be confident when you're answering the question of a bar raiser. You will get to know that it is not your technology. It will try to ask you more hard question on the question already asked by other interviewers. So again, if you clear this round, then da da da, you get a job. But it may take time to get a job in Amazon. They can, delay your offer letter for 1 month or 15 days. You can politely ask for the status as well. That is fine. And one more tip, like if you are going for Amazon interview, like in front of bar raiser, you should be very well prepared about Amazon. Like Amazon is a web-based company. That means you should be prepared about the large-scale web-based e-commerce applications. Try to check your scalability and memory limits, etc. Coding questions. And that's it. You will definitely get a job. But be clear that this is going to happen if you are going to appear in an interview of Amazon. Thank you guys. Keep watching and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.